Why is this so overexposed? I am not at home for once. Tyler and I are going on a holiday, which you probably already knew because you've probably watched the video, which was me getting prepared for said holiday. My eyebrows are still looking fresh. Look at that. Why is my necklace backwards? Oh my god, I'm tangled now. We got like this little Airbnb. It's down by the beach. It's so cute. I'm so excited. Oh, it's not really near the beach. It's like on a farm. So yeah, we've just stopped at this little truck stop at the moment. Tyler is just grabbing some stuff. He got this beef jerky here once and he absolutely loved it. He fell in love. So he's grabbing some beef jerky as we speak and maybe some other goodies. I don't know. We're just going to take you along with us on our holiday. We're going to be doing a lot of things. He's coming.
Holy shit.
Hello, love.
I spent $70 on jerky and salami.
Do you want to do a little haul? What did you get?
Kangaroo salami, wood smoked beef jerky, and a beef and rum jerky, beef and chili jerky.
I'm still trying to get over the fact that that was $70.
Salami was $25, so that looks
We're stopping to get some fuel because I'm empty. We made it to the beach. I'm so excited. Is that Thomas? It's Thomas the tank engine. Thomas! It's like people waving on him. I love that. They're so happy. Hi! This place is so pretty. I love it. What are they though? What is that?
You checking up on the beach?
I am. It's not loading though. Hi, babies. Charlie's having a snack and Emma's having a sleep. I miss them so much. Can we just get 2 cinnamon donuts and 1 jam donut, please? It's like a 6 out of 10.
Yeah.
We're on our way to the Airbnb now. We're about 20 minutes away, and once we get there, I'll give you guys a little tour, but she's cute. She's so cute. We're at the Airbnb now. Tyler's just trying to get the door. I'm so excited. It looks absolutely gorgeous. Anyway, we have an outdoor bath. We got it. Oh, wow. They're a lot smaller than I thought it was, but this is adorable. Look, it says, "Welcome to Wellington. We hope you enjoy your stay. Shelly and partner." Hey, partner. I wrote your name on the Airbnb thing, but you're just partner now. Who's partner? Oh, stop it. They have a bird painting. Are you kidding me? A bird painting. Birds I saw. I haven't checked this out. Oh, this is our bed. This is so cute. Our little ensuite. Toilet. We got the shower. What's this little door? Oh, got an ironing board. All the bits and bobs. This is stunning. Look at this kitchen though with like the light leak on it. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Right, it's currently 6 o'clock. What time is it?
It is 5:59.
I just know my times. We are going to go out for dinner. I popped my jeans on.
On my shorts on.
Cute. Shelly and partner, let's go. Oh my god, look at this bathtub. Oh, you can't see shit. How cute is that? It's very cold. I don't know if I'm gonna be getting in that bath. There's a step here somewhere. Ah, let's go to dinner. Oh, it smells good. What you feeling?
Steak for eaters.
And I'm getting a mocktail of the strawberry daiquiri. Should be good. They've made like a little flower in my guac. That's so cute. So good. And a little strawberry daiquiri mocktail. Cheers. We want to do a lot today, but we're not not sure what we're actually doing, but we want to go to this little area that has really nice rock pools at low tide. So we want to check out like the little crabs and the fishies and all that stuff. So that should be fun. I'm gonna try and find like a cute hike to go on, maybe a waterfall to chase, sightseeing, having some fun. There's a couple of shops that we want to go to. There's a lot of touristy sightseeing kind of stuff. I bought this when I went to Chemist Warehouse in the video previous to this one. When I sniffed this in Chemist Warehouse, I was absolutely blown away. Like, this is the best smelling one. It's the salted caramel and pistachio. Okay, I got that in my face. I almost like it better than the actual Sol Janeiro brand because I've smelled them in Mecca, I smelled them in Sephora, and they weren't... I didn't understand the hype. I don't know where I'm going with this. I don't know what I'm talking about. I just thought I would share my thoughts on this because I love it. And I smell like a salted caramel pistachio.
So put some makeup on me, cover up my black eye.
I can if you want.
This is what happens when you get punched in the face playing football. But we won, that's all that matters.
Do you actually want me to put some concealer on?
That makes me look tough.
What are you most excited about for today?
For breakfast right now, because I'm absolutely famished. Pretty rock pool. It's been a while since I've seen some rock pools and some wildlife.
What could we see in a rock pool that's rare, but it could still happen?
A little octopus, like a little blue ring.
Oh, I don't want to see that.
There'd be sea urchins.
Touch
sea
me!
starfish.
The guy was dancing on me.
Step on me. Step on me. Are you kidding? This guy was dancing on me.
Our outfits, sneakers for hiking.
Kind of in the same outfit as yesterday, so.
That's fine. We're kind of matching as well. I know I'm going hiking in this fit, but I'm on holiday. We found our breakfast. I got like a dragon fruit juice. It's so red. It's pretty good. Here, you try.
It's getting sour.
It's a bit sour, but I like it. Breakfast has arrived.
Beautiful.
It's honestly so cold, but it's so beautiful. Being here in summer would be amazing, but at the moment, it's freezing. I've got tights on, but they've ripped, so I can feel like this tiny bit of coldness. I'm just waiting for Tyler. There he is. Hello. I was just saying how cold it is.
It is, yeah. It's the ocean.
So we just did some walking on the beach. It was nice. It was cute. And
Very
now we're
nice.
going to do some shopping. Don't know what we're looking for. We're just going to see if there's a bargain or not.
Yeah, I need some socks.
I wouldn't mind getting like a cute sweater. I really want a cute sweater. Also, my eyeliner. Does it look funny?
My eyeliner's all smudged too.
Where do we even begin? This is stunning. They are beautiful. It's too cold for bikini season. That's cute.
It's only 80.
It's only $80. I've seen a fluffy coat. That is so cute. I already have one that looks like that though. That's so cool.
That's sick.
That is sick. I love that. So, that was a bit of a failure.
The old surf shops are pretty expensive around here.
That was not in my price range.
How much was that that jacket you looked at in Patagonia?
Just a beige plain jacket for $500. I don't have any maps
The
here, by the way. I
windows
don't know
are-
where I'm going. Round 2 on the shopping. Let's see if we can get some deals, some bargains, because that last run,
Not ideal.
we're not going to talk about it. We're not going to talk about it. This is the small. I don't mind it. I think the small works. I think.
Currently low tide, exactly.
We're gonna go look at the rock pools, but first we need a little snack.
Hopefully it tides down far enough. Should we just barefoot it?
I can't barefoot.
Why not?
I'm wearing tights. Yeah, get rid of that. That's cringe.
I'm gonna get my white shoes absolutely filthy. I don't know if you guys can hear me because of the wind. Look, there's some little rock pools here. Little rapids. Just shells. There you go, there's a seashell.
You're so funny. Oh, I'm so overexposed.
I found a seashell.
That laugh is so gross.
There's plenty of rock pools, but we're yet to find any wildlife.
What'd you find? Oh. Tyler. Seagull. We found wildlife. That was so hard.
Swimming here somewhere.
Oh no, I see that. There's like tracks. Oh, is it that little thing? It's like slowly moving. Slowly but surely. You telling me this snail went all the way?
It's been hiking 10 hours.
That was pretty cool.
The rock pooling definitely looked better online. I feel like
It did.
unless I put the wetsuit on and went for a proper dive,
Or snorkel.
I don't think I was seeing much.
But we saw a snail.
And a seagull.
But now we're gonna go walk through the rainforest. We're gonna go on a hike. It's gonna take us an hour to get there, and then an hour back. Don't chase them.
We're not chasing waterfalls, we're gonna find one. We know where they are.
Alright, you're done. Went around this windy ass road for about 20 minutes and we just had to stretch our legs because that was rough. I also had to pee. While walking to the toilets, I've seen these cockatoos, and if you don't know me, I love birds. I'm obsessed with birds, and there's freaking cockatoos here, like, and ducks. Oh my god, there's so many of them. You're not allowed to feed them though. Do you not feed the cockatoos? There's so many. Look at him up there. Oh, hello. Oh my god. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hello. It's so cool. This has honestly made my day. The fact that this town is just covered in cockatoos. I don't see that every day, and I'm obsessed.
They're all in the trees up there.
Oh my god. Guys, look, there's a king parrot. Right over there. There was one closer, but we accidentally scared it. There's one up there, just having a forage. Hi. Oh my gosh.
There's shitloads of
King
them.
parrots.
There's like 3 king parrots in there.
What? This place is like bird paradise.
Wait till we're up in the rainforest.
Oh my gosh, it just makes me miss my birds so much. I wonder how Emma and Charlie are doing. Oh, I can check that right now. And there's Emma. She's like just chilling in the food box. I miss them so much.
This is freaky.
I hate heights, by the way. But she's cute. She's pretty. Look at that water. Guys, we found my beach. That's my beach right there. Spelt the same. She's kind of rocky though. A waterfall, a cave. Take a photo of the maps on your phone before you leave. Are we about to get lost? Tyler's got a bad knee. We should preface by saying.
We're right.
These are some steep steppies. I really hope we're not climbing that.
Holy shit.
Surely not. We've got a water bottle
Lollipops.
and our lollipops. So we're fine. We're pros. Yeah. Look out number 1. Done. That's the road we came down.
We've got a lot of stairs to climb back up on the way back, and we've got this snaky path to walk down over here.
Is that a mist?
What the fuck? It could just be like water mist from the waterfall.
If we make loud sounds, the snakes won't come.
Go, make your loudest sounds.
That's pretty scary, right? I love bugs. Do you reckon they're still together?
2023, it's only a year ago.
Yeah.
For sure. Look at these little seats.
We're like, what, 10 minutes into our walk? Already exhausted. Oh, this is spooky. There's like no sun this way. That's a waterfall. Oh, wow. So we're only going to the cave. There's only 5 minutes, but the picnic area, 1.5 hours. I didn't think it would be this sweaty, this hot. It'll be worth it, apparently. We walked past some guy and he was like, it's worth it. Okay. How are you going with your knee?
Yeah, it's alright. It's only bad going up steps.
Okay, good. Because this is hard for someone with good knees. Wait, that's so cute. Bye, Tyler. We made it. That's the cave.
Yeah, it's very cool.
Look like a cute little waterfall there.
Aside from the
Oh
track.
my god. I'm so glad we live in Australia where there was nothing in this cave, except for a snake maybe. This cave is crazy. That is crazy how small you look. Tyler, you're like a little bug. I can just squish you. We did it. We made it back to the car. My legs are very much complaining right now. I'm also very sweaty. What are we rating the waterfall?
Yeah, it was fucking gross.
Good walk, good
walk.
scenery.
Legs are sore, but it was worth it for the photos and the sights we got to see. I lost my eye too.
Only people from Australia are gonna get this, but this is so iconic. This is honestly the most iconic thing ever. If you're from Australia, you're gonna flip your lid just like we're about to. Have you ever felt like this? That is so iconic. Oh my gosh. It was part of a TV series called Around the Twist, and literally every single Australian kid watched it. It was like the weirdest and wackiest shit ever. But we're at the lighthouse now. Like, this is the lighthouse. This is a moment. Oh my god. I can't see, and it's a moment.
Have you ever felt like this?
and other movies that obviously aren't as important as Around the Twist. I said Around the Twist before, but it doesn't matter, it's fine. There's this like really famous beach here in Australia called Bells Beach. It's like where all the surfing competitions are held. Not that we're very big like surfing people, but it's famous. So we're gonna go see that beach. I think it would be rude not to see that beach. Whose dog is it? Wow. That's Bells Beach. That's the famous beach. It's cold. It is the last day that we're staying in this Airbnb. Well, like we're packing up. We are going. Check out at 10 and then we're gonna go and do some thrifting, but that's for a whole nother video. You guys are gonna have to stick around for that. Then we're gonna go visit Tyler's parents and catch up with some old friends and all that kind of stuff. So I don't know if I'm going to film that, but I might film little segments. How are your legs feeling, Tyler?
Yeah, good.
That waterfall absolutely humbled me. Got some takeout last night. It was just a really sweet night. It was really cool, really chill. I was in bed by like 8 o'clock because I was so tired. So feeling refreshed and good today. I actually feel sad. Like it was such a good vibe just staying in here. It just feels so homely. It feels so beautiful. I love the kitchen. I'm obsessed. Oh yeah, smashed ever. Chilling outside at Tyler's parents' house. Tyler is just catching up with some family. I'm just enjoying the serenity before we jump back into a car for the next 4 hours. It's really nice. Like I've really loved this little holiday. It's been so healing, so amazing, but I'm so excited to go home and see my babies. Emma and Charlie, I miss them so much. I've been keeping an eye on them on my little camera, making sure they're okay, you know, peace of mind, and it's honestly helped a lot, but like I'm ready to see my birds again. I miss them so much. This chicken is like staring me down. Girl, what do you want? Hello, chicken. What are you doing? Oh.